In this video, I'm going to show you a free resource that we have in our free resource bundle that you can get right away by clicking the link in the bio. You can also get 50% off the consistent client formula, where we show you not only how to figure out how many clients you need to talk to, but how to structure your offer, what to price it at, how to find those clients, and how to create an automated sales system so that you are selling every single day. My name is Karen Diaz, and I'm the founder of Lightmakers. I've sold over $111 million in sales. I've worked with 87% of Fortune 500 C-level, and I have over 15 years sales and marketing experience, helping anywhere from Fortune 10 organizations to solopreneurs and entrepreneurs. Now, I love helping Lightmakers achieve their goals through the vehicle of business. Let's start with our calculator here. First, you're going to enter your target sales goal. So, say you are targeting $1,000 and you have a program that you are selling for $997. That means that you need one client to fill that program. This is very easy, but that is the goal. I want to make this super accessible and show you how easy this is. So, a good rule of thumb is to speak to 10 prospective clients, people that could potentially want to enroll in your program for every one client that you want. This gives you a 10% win rate. This is out of 10 people, how many people are going to say yes to your program or to your offer or to your course or whatever it is. But say you're offering payment plans, that is going to be a little bit different. You're going to have to take that into consideration because monthly, you're only going to collect the payment plans cash, and that is the cash collected. And that is the gold standard, especially when you're running a solopreneur business or entrepreneur business. So you want to make sure to include your payment plan option, and you want to make sure that it is accessible to the people that you're serving. Say we have the 997 program and we divide it by 6. That means that you are pricing your program at $166 for a 6-month payment plan, and you need 6 clients to hit your target of $1,000. That means you need to be talking to 60 prospective clients. You can post on Facebook groups, you can run ads. I recommend only running ads after you have validated your messaging and have enrolled a few people, because a lot of people waste money on ads if they run them too early on. And we show you how to structure all of that so you have an automated system that brings you clients consistently. Definitely click the link in bio to grab the free resources or take advantage of that 50% off the consistent client formula for the next 48 hours. It is jam packed with the best information that we will be teaching week by week with implementation weeks. And you have unlimited coaching in the pop up community. Definitely grab this resource, and I cannot wait to see what you're going to create.